Now let's talk about channels. In traditional DMX systems, the term channel has a specific meaning, but the NXC300 device allows you to configure and use channels in a much simpler way. This is one of the key features of the NXC300. Before moving on, it is important to understand what a channel is. So let's begin by explaining channels.
For the purpose of this explanation, we will assume that the LED Neon project contains a total of 100 LEDs.
First, let's focus on a single channel. For this explanation, we will assume that one channel contains 100 LEDs. The NXC300 device includes a variety of animation functions. These functions allow you to control each channel, turning it on or off, applying fade-in and fade-out effects, selecting colors, running sequential on-off patterns from left to right, adjusting speed, and more. Please refer to the animation function YouTube video. Now let's discuss an example using two channels. For this explanation, we will assume the project has a total of 100 LEDs. We will configure channel 1 with 50 LEDs and channel 2 with 50 LEDs. The NXC300 device provides multiple animation functions, and by applying one of these functions to a specific channel, each channel can operate independently. Now, let's move on to working with the LED neon strips. Let's first check the number of LEDs in the LED neon strip. For this explanation, we'll use 4 LEDs as an example. If you look at the side of the strip, you'll see thin lines. Each of these represents one LED.
Now let's apply a two-channel animation to the actual LED neon strip.
I created an arrow shape using an LED neon strip. The total number of LEDs needed is 98. These 98 LEDs are divided into two channels. The first channel contains 59 LEDs. The second channel contains 39 LEDs. By applying independent animation functions to these two channels, you can create a very impressive visual effect. It all depends on your creativity. For detailed explanations of the animation functions, please refer to the editing tool.